Oh, hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. It's Nisha Babii, back at it again with some LOC content. All right, hey y'all, it's New Year's Eve. I hope everyone have a prosperous, healthy, and loving lifestyle for New Year's. I want to say, hey, if you're new to my channel, welcome, boo. Thank you for coming. And if you're a ride or die, what's up, Foulette? Thank you for coming back. You already know the vibe. So today's video is going to be how I did my first retwist on New Year's Eve so I can come in right for 2022. So if you would like to see content on my first retwist, go ahead and make sure you watch this video all the way to the end. All right, let's get into it. Get your drinks, boo. I am going to get ready and get straight into me retwisting my hair for the first time. This is up close and personal. You can see how it looks. It's been a month, okay? In 2 days, it's time for a retwist. And we about to get into it. All right, so today the products I'm gonna be using is Lock Up by Beauty Elegance. This stuff is really hard to find, y'all, but I will link the information for y'all if you want it. I have my rose water, distilled water, and my aloevera juice, which I used in my previous video. And if you haven't seen that already, go check it out because this is really good for moisturizing your locks, your baby locks, whatever stage you're in. And then of course I have my duck clips. All right, so let's get straight into it. This is what the back looks like. And just get into everything back here. Like, you see this magic happening? This tangling, this magic. Right. Okay. Let me start with this one. Just gonna work my way up. So I twisted my hair to the left. So I'm twisting like that. I like to palm roll it like so. We're gonna go to the next one. See? Alright. This is my first time, so if you guys have any tricks or anything up your sleeve that you think will be helpful, please let me know, because I am learning on this journey, and that's the beauty about it. You learn. So it looks like, oh, did this one come loose? Or are these two different ones? This one came loose, y'all. So that's probably from me moisturizing it too much. So I'm gonna lay off on spraying so much water, like to where it's damped. I'm gonna get it to where it's like not damp, but to where it's like drenched. I'm gonna just damp it. But we're just gonna twist it. So let me spray a little. Just one, squeeze it in like so. Let me turn for y'all. I noticed when I twisted that one over, ooh, y'all look like I ain't got no edges. Y'all know I got edges. But notice when I twisted it over, I did not take it apart or anything like that. So I shed the root because I did have some knotting at the roots on one of them. I just got the pieces that were not together and I twisted it. So what I'm gonna do is get this much and put it on there and just twist. So hard for me to do that one, but I'm doing my best. Can't see it either. Alright, so I'm gonna just keep going. When I get back and make some good progress, I'll let y'all see. Alright. I just decided to go ahead and speed up the whole process so y'all can at least see my journey as I go through. And if you get a chance, you can see any tangling and hopefully budding, but probably not. And a bunch of frizziness, so y'all can see it with me. So I've done the back row, and I moved on to the next row. So I just love that I have this. See that? Look at that. I'm so happy, y'all. I love the frizziness. I know a lot of people don't like it, but I actually like it. As long as my edges are laid, I'm good to go with it, because I love when dreads look old. So, but I knew it was time for me to at least retwist this, because some of them were getting tangled within each other. And it probably is married, but they were just like trying to come together, like intertwine with each other. So I'm like, stay in your lane. So yeah, that's why we're doing this. I'm gonna wrap it like a bantu knot. I think that'll be the best thing to hold my hair. I hope I did it, y'all. Usually when I wrap my bantu knots, I do it the other way. So, this is a learning experience for real. If you see your hair coming loose, just twist it back up, okay? I'm not gonna untangle the bottom. The bottom is pretty tangled. I'm just twisting the middle. Yeah. Because I don't want to mess up any progress that I've made. Alright, finally I got it to where it does the little bantu knot thingy. Alright. Stay. Let me put it a little bit higher. Bam. Alright. Excited, y'all. I think I twisted the wrong way. Oh yeah, I did. Oh, there we go. Alright, y'all. Tell me what y'all see in the comment section, because I can't see this, but are these two together or are they separate? See what I'm saying? How they starting to come together. I can't tell if that's 3 or it's supposed to be 2. Let me see. Okay, that was a twist. It came loose, but it looked like it still doing what it's supposed to do. But I'm gonna retwist that back. But you see how it's stuck? I got to repot it. Now they're separated. Yeah. Alright. Still, I'm not gonna detangle the roots. Let me put this other one up so y'all can really see it. Here. But you see how my roots are tangled? I am not gonna detangle that because I don't want to mess up any progress I've made. I am just going to twist it like I did the last one. Spray a little bit so it has some moisture. Just that. Put that in there. And then I'm going to get this, put it on there and start twisting. Not taking it loose, I'm just twisting what's already there. Like so. And this is a learning process, y'all, so don't beat yourself up. I'm not, okay? You have to learn how to do this. If it becomes unraveled, just retwist it back up, boo. Makes me feel better to put this on the end. This Beauty Elegance on the end. Not Beauty Elegance, Natural Elegance lock up on the end. Bam. So now I'm going to twist it. And this one, this is how this one looks that was next to it. So twist still intact. This much new growth and puffiness. So I'm happy. My hair texture in some parts of my head is just gonna take a little longer to lock, and that's fine. But it is very important to moisturize your hair. Very important. Alright. This is my progress so far. Y'all get to see before me. Now let me see, because y'all not much. But I'm gonna keep going. Y'all. You see how I gotta pull them apart to really see which one is which? That's what we want to see. So it's doing something, y'all. My battery? Oh. I don't know what that sign is. I don't know what's going on with my camera, y'all. I wanted to film the whole thing. I'm gonna come back when I get to the top, okay? I love y'all. Tell me what you think so far in the comment section below. Your girl gotta go. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. So far, this is my progress. Don't laugh at me. I'm on my knees so y'all can see. This is my progress. I found some tangling. See? And I really just got to figure out like what to do. So I wanted to film that part. I figured out what was going on with my camera. It has some type of symbol up there. But yeah, we didn't talk about that. So yeah, let me put these up so y'all can see. So I'm gonna just let y'all know, I noticed that right here is very poofy, like where the twist begins. I don't know if y'all can see. Like it's very poofy right here where the twist begins, and like kind of like hard as if it's already started to form its lock right there, which I'm very excited for. So I just want to let y'all know that while I'm doing this. When I find loose hair, I just kind of wrap it over one that's already twisted. Just a little trick. You see where these two are kind of got some tanglage. Just go like that. Now I put the loose with that one. So I'll do that one first. Make sure I got it all. Alright, this is what I have so far. Let me get up my knees again. This is what I have so far. This is what I'm about to work with. Look at this one. I'm gonna go on and do this one because it looked like it's some parts that came loose. See? So you see how it's still together? So I'm not gonna unravel that part that's a loose. I'm gonna just wrap over it. Spray my little water. Lock up cream. Oh, yeah, that happened. I twisted it the wrong way. So when you palm on it, it'll let you know. So it's supposed to be going to the left. Let me get the hair I wrapped over, which is this. And I'm doing it to the left now. And this right here, I'm just gonna twist it. I don't know if that'll help, but I'm just experimenting. So finish back here. Look at this. See? Let me get to the top of my head. Section off this much. I'm telling y'all, salt water works. The Himalaya pink salt water. If you haven't seen that video of mine, go check it out. Your hair is gonna lock super fast. It's only been a month and 3 days, y'all. That's it. See? Separated good. And as far as parts, y'all, I kind of just went with it. I made sure they were kind of like staggered so they'll fall a certain way, but I just kind of, I did have some type of parting in the back. I had some type of part. It wasn't just going anywhere, but I made sure that it would, you know, go where it was supposed to go. Oh, this one I slid all the way down. I mean, all the way. But this holding gel is pretty good. I mean, this lock shape better. Thank y'all so much for sticking with your girl all the way to the end. Tell me what you think about the video in the comment section below. What products did you use for your first retwist, and how long did you wait to do a retwist on your baby locks? I want to know all the information in the comment section below. But before, I'm sorry y'all, my son. But before I let y'all go, I'm gonna need for y'all to hit that subscribe button and ding that bell so you not what? Left behind, boo, because you don't want to be in the rear. You don't want to be back there. You want to be up here with me getting this tea and this knowledge when I drop it. All right, I'll see y'all till next time. Bye.